So first I need to go to the app. So we've got 3 e-bikes. All I need to do is press the hire now button.
The blues e-bikes.
And then confirm. And then I type in this code. So type in this code over here. 33311. And wait for the green. Yeah, then we've got the green. Then we can bounce it out like this. Oh, there we go. And whatever you do, don't cycle with your bag like this. Like this, can you see? Don't cycle your bag like this, because that is what caused my crash. And always wear a helmet. Welcome to this, our 3rd video from the first day of trying out the rental bikes in London, the Santander Cycle hire electric bikes. You can see them on the docking stations all around London. This was our first day, and for this journey it was only supposed to be down the road. It's supposed to be a 4-minute journey along a straight road. We managed to not do that. So we're going to turn right and just do a straight line all the way to that park. Yeah, it didn't turn out to be a straight line, but that doesn't matter. Do you want hand sanitizer? Or should I do it later?
I'll do it later.
Okay, I can put it in. Okay, here we go. You good? Yeah. We got the green, yeah? So we set off on our journey on the Santander Cycle bikes, the Boris bikes, but these are e-bikes and they are a little bit more expensive than the pedal bikes, and you can only undock them using the Santander Cycles app. So that was a bit more tricky and a bit more expensive, but bizarrely my accounts from about 14 years ago still works, and we were able to get these out in no trouble at all. I mean, look at the streets of London. This is a Saturday afternoon in the middle of summer. It's August afternoon, and bizarrely, it was like COVID times on some streets, and heaving with tourists on others. So sit back and enjoy in real time a bike POV video, a ride with me as my son and I just go through the streets of central London. Okay, we'll just walk it. Well, we could go down and turn left. Should we try that? Yeah, try and turn right, I mean. Well, that guy's just gone. Okay, so we'll go now. Mind the motorbike. It's BBC, Joe. Thank you. This is the BBC.
Yeah.
We've overshot. We've gone too far. Actually, oh. Okay. Security. Go across. Ready? Go, go, go. And again. Sorry?
It's either really empty or really busy.
Yeah. Pause here. I'll let the cab go. And the BM. And yeah, it's just down here. Got to find a docking station now. Yeah? Yeah, they should. I think there'll be one on the other side. We'll aim for there. Okay, that's a bit tricky. Okay. Right, follow me. Okay. And then it's straight on, I think. There's just no traffic. It's bizarre. These are quieter than cycle lanes. Right, so on the app it sort of showed it was around here. Oh yeah, I got it. Where is it? Yeah, I thought it was there. Hang on, nearly there.
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, we'll keep going. It's on the left-hand side. It's the next turn. Gone. Right, it's behind this church. Thanks. Okay. I'm calling this a Dad Delivers success. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going. And right here is this playlist of all the other places that we've gone together.
Doesn't sound good, does it?